Sonam and Sargun who are doing films regularly. So of course when you do, and when I was doing Punjabi cinema, then of course. आजकल नया है कि casting ऐसे हो रही है कि जिनके followers ज़्यादा हैं उनकी casting हो रही है. तो आप influencer को based on their followers उनको cast कर रहे हो किसी actor की जगह. ये थी जहाँ पे, या एक ही जगह है for that matter, जहाँ पे creative freedom है और limitations कम है. रिस्ट्रिक्शंस कम है. एज अ मेकर, एज अ राइटर, एज एन एक्टर, आपको कुछ समय पहले तक ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता था. आपके मुंह से क्या शब्द निकल रहे हैं, आपका थॉट क्या है, आप किसी को इम्पर्सनेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि किसी का रिलीजियस, किसी का पॉलिटिकल सेंटिमेंट तो नहीं ब्रेक हो. इतनी सब चीज़ें सोचने में, या भाई इतना सब सोचने में आपका कंटेंट कहीं ना कहीं विल टेक अ हिट.
You're the highest paid actress in Punjabi cinema. Hi, this is Jaya and you're watching me on Kalata India, and today we have someone who is known for her impactful roles, someone who is very creative, very talented, presenting Surbin Chawla. Hi Surbin,
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very well.
You know, I saw the trailer of Criminal Justice और देखा मैंने आपकी entry Criminal Justice में. I want to ask you personally कि if you have to describe your experience of Criminal Justice, how was it?
I think to sum it up in one word would be difficult, but I think the journey was amazing with the cast that is on the show. I think everybody is such, how do I put it, acclaimed actors for their work, and not just acclaimed, rightly so, well deserving. And I think most importantly, there's Pankaj ji, big fan of him and his work and his craft. Zishan, Shweta, I think amazing actors, amazing co-actors. And having said that, I think that is what makes the journey very collaborative. And when the journey becomes collaborative, your experience enhances more. Because I think you're a part of every single step in the process, of filming. That makes it very, very special. So we had a team which was like that. There was a lot of give and take in terms of the prep, and they were very open and welcoming in terms of your opinion, whether you're a male actor or female actor, which to find these days is a great bonus.
Right.
It just makes the work environment
more easy.
Easy and very
comfort.
Easy, comfortable, and of equals.
Yes.
And to feel like that on a set is amazing.
But do you really believe that equality has been achieved these days in industry?
It has not been achieved, of course not. It is far from achieved.
Yes.
But
a change has been seen.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. And I have seen that change with every project of mine. Meaning, every project of mine, the 4 that are coming up, or in the past, let's say 5-6 years, has been a project which is a part of that change, because the teams have been like that.
Right.
Pay parity, I don't want to comment, because that is
something different, totally.
Not different, it's far from being achieved.
Yeah.
While this is still getting there, in terms of conduct, in terms of how you're treated, all that is great.
Right.
Pay parity is
still there.
We've not even started.
Yeah. Whereas some has said that in past that it has changed. Like they have been earned more, the ladies have been earned more. But anyways, we won't go there. First, I want to ask about your character. I just saw in the trailer that कि again ये जो role है आपका वो एक intense किरदार है इसमें again फिर से जो आपने हमेशा से किया वो एक bold तरीके से. Your role has been always impactful. Was that reason to choose this character again, that कि कुछ अलग है again?
I think those kind of characters, those kind of paths choose me more than me choosing them. And I think that's what makes it exciting, that's what makes it challenging, that's what brings a spring in my step every morning of a shoot day. When you know that you're up for a challenge, and it's not going to be monotonous in any way.
Right.
I think that kind of drives me out of this door.
Right.
Which for me is very, very important. I don't want to say that you know, okay, I have a daughter, I have a 6-year-old child, and me going out should be worth it. No, that's not what I mean. What I mean is, um, as excited as I am to see her face every morning,
Yeah.
I need to feel the same excitement going out to work
Correct.
in my own
Abs-
heart.
But how do you balance? I mean, mother, marriage, actor, acting, something. How do you manage all?
Look, it'll be very cliche for me to say
Huh?
that why don't men get asked this question? But there is biology here.
Yeah.
And let's be honest and practical. A child's relationship, biological relationship with their mother, is something that is irreplaceable, right? You can't fill in those shoes,
Absolutely correct.
right? Having said that, to have a partner, to have a family, to have every member of the family so supportive, which is why they say it takes a village, right, to raise a child. I think all of that, and vice versa.
Correct.
Today, if my husband is going and working or running his own business, it is because he knows when I'm not working, I'm there. And I think the same goes for him. So without the peripheral support, for nobody will it be possible to be able to balance life like that,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So even he can't go to work if I'm not there to take care of home or child or life per se.
Correct.
So you've got to work on each other's strengths, I think, as a unit. Again, collaboration.
Yes.
So I think that's the operative word.
And I like the
in
point you
today's
started
time.
with this answer that ki why the question has been not asked to men.
हाँ.
And I clicked me correctly that यार हाँ सच में we
नहीं,
can't.
बट वो सवाल पूछना अनफेयर है.
हाँ.
बच्चों को या किसी भी बच्चे को आई थिंक ज़्यादा ज़रूरत हमेशा माँ की होगी. और उसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं, उसमें बायोलॉजी है.
Biology. Right.
या यू नो,
But
सो वो एक्सपेक्टेशन भी गलत है.
Right. But I want to ask you, in the era of content, जहाँ content ही सब कुछ है, are you enjoying the content these days which are coming on OTT, movies, something
very
like that?
much. There's
Yeah?
some thrilling work that is happening. I don't know how long it's going to last with the kind of restrictions that are being imposed by the government, which I feel sad about to a very large extent. कि you know, एक ही जगह थी जहाँ पे, या एक ही जगह है for that matter, जहाँ पे creative freedom है और limitations कम है, restrictions कम है. As a maker, as a writer, as an actor, आपको कुछ समय पहले तक ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता था. आपके मुंह से क्या शब्द निकल रहे हैं, आपका थॉट क्या है, आप किसी को इम्पर्सनेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि किसी का रिलीजियस, किसी का पॉलिटिकल सेंटिमेंट तो नहीं ब्रेक हो. इतनी सब चीज़ें सोचने में, अभी इतना सब सोचने में आपका कंटेंट कहीं ना कहीं विल टेक अ हिट.
It has taken in past also.
In the past also, and in the recent past also.
Yes.
You know, and it has taken a hit. I mean, I don't want to really talk about it, but it has taken a hit even in the work that I've been doing.
Yes.
I know what happened then, and I know what's happening now, and I know the reasons. The reasons cited are very clear, which I feel is very, very sad. But yeah, it's exciting still. Because it's a land of opportunity right now. OTT is a land of opportunity. There is a lot at stake, of course, but lesser than a theatrical, for that matter.
But the kind of content you wanted to work on, you're getting that roles. There's something which you haven't explored yet.
Yeah, I am getting rather roles are much better written now. There are a lot of men that I have worked with as makers, as directors, as producers who want their women to be strong.
Right.
Who don't want their women to be submissive.
Correct.
Who want their women to call the shots. You know, they want to write characters like that.
Right.
Which is a great positive.
But which one are the recent favorite ones which has been just written with the thoughts of women, you know, जहाँ पे women एक character हो, women is the main character, which are ones your favorite?
See, as such, I don't think कोई एक specific favorite है. I've been watching a lot of content and I have a short memory, very bad memory in terms of the content that I have seen. But I think recently I finished You on Netflix.
You on Netflix, okay.
Then there is Nine Strangers.
Oh, Nine Stranger is good one.
Is good.
I saw that, yeah.
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 Then adolescence, the interrogation scene I can
this
think
is
of.
crazy.
You know the.
This is crazy.
Yeah, what a crazy.
I just thinking कि आप ये नाम लोगे.
उसमें जो
The main
child psychologist जो होती है ना.
Yes.
So I can think of
Those things,
like
na?
those names. And adolescence was actually about a boy in terms of the story. But the way that show was portrayed, where every part was so integral to the plot or the storytelling, which is why that part for me stands out a lot.
Right. It's crazy. Adolescence is my favorite.
Yeah.
Current favorite.
Current favorite.
Yeah. But also no, मेरे को ये चीज़ पूछना था. I was just going through yesterday, last night. मैं पढ़ रही थी कुछ आपके बारे में. So there was one thing written about you that कि you're the highest paid actress in Punjabi cinema.
I am not aware of that. I don't know how much anybody
I will
else
show you
is
this
getting.
after this.
I don't know how much anybody else is getting, but it's been a while that I did Punjabi cinema.
I
So,
know.
of course, I understand that the market must have changed there, of course. And, there are, I think there is Sonam and Sargun who are doing films regularly. So, of course, when I was doing Punjabi cinema, then of course.
Right.
Yeah,
But you have done Punjabi, Kannada,
Yeah.
Bollywood, mediums also you have
Yeah.
transited yourself.
Yes.
I want to ask from you, there's something which Bollywood can adapt from these things, this अलग-अलग platform, अलग-अलग mediums और अलग-अलग channels से या फिर
I think originality. So to pick up a film from here or to pick up a film from there, I mean, we need to get a bit more creative and experimental. By experimental, I don't mean experimental cinema. I just mean, stories have to be more authentic and
right,
more original.
right.
I think that's where, according to me, Bollywood is lacking. We are still living in some other era where इधर का कोई कोरियन फिल्म अडेप्ट हो रही है, कोई ये फिल्म अडेप्ट हो रही है, बट अडेप्टेशंस मैं तो बोलूँगी अडेप्ट करो ही मत. कुछ अपना ही लिखो, कुछ अपना ही लेके आओ.
क्योंकि you can see that कि I asked you question that क्योंकि content कहीं ना कहीं नहीं चल रहा है. ठीक है, today we were even talking कि यार content नहीं चल रहा है. What's the thing why it's not working these days content? थिएटर पे भी नहीं चल रही है.
थिएटर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं चल
रही है.
हाँ.
We are only waiting for our OTT, to be very honest.
I agree.
Friday
is it so?
Yeah, we all just wait for OTT.
I thought I was the only one.
We all are waiting for OTT.
I think the last film in the theater that I saw recently was a film with my daughter called Paddington in Peru. उससे पहले अगर आप मेरे से पूछोगे थिएटर में या कोई इंग्लिश फिल्म देख ली, उससे पहले हिंदी फिल्म देखने में थिएटर नहीं गई हूँ.
Same happened with my family even because we had to see the films, we have to see this film. तो हम देखते हैं films, but मेरे family ने तो कोई movie ही नहीं देखी last.
तो अभी आप पूछोगे अगर फिल्म के बारे में कोई सवाल पूछोगे ना, मुझे याद ही नहीं है कौन सी 2024 की कोई अच्छी फिल्म, कोई जो आपको अच्छी लगी हो. मेरे पास कोई आंसर नहीं, मैं देखने ही नहीं गई हूँ. मैंने इंडियन कंटेंट ही नहीं देखा है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज लापता लेडीज दैट आई स्टिल हैवंट वॉच्ड. आई स्टिल हैवंट वॉच्ड. इट्स ऑन माय, you see again, I'm waiting for it to come on OTT. So it's
there on OTT.
Yeah, it's there on OTT, but I didn't see it then. I think it was also there for a very
less
short
time,
period
and
of
it didn't
time.
work on theaters.
It didn't work in the
It didn't
theaters,
work
and
in
I think it
theaters.
worked on
It
OTT.
worked on OTT, and then they picked up from there,
Yes,
and then they were
yes.
nominated for the awards.
Yes,
So
yes.
same Kiran ma'am has also said the same thing कि भाई मेरी फिल्म चली ही नहीं थी, लोग गए नहीं थे देखने,
Yeah.
क्योंकि कंटेंट के वजह से,
Yeah.
इतनी वजह से. But
और सैड पार्ट ये है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा कंटेंट चल नहीं रहा है. हम सब शोज देख रहे हैं, बाहर के शोज ही देख रहे हैं. Everybody, if I say right now what is a great show, I will name shows from the US or the UK, crime thrillers and all of that, because I love watching crime thrillers. तो दिमाग में नाम ही वही आता है.
एंड जब पार्ट 1 देखते थे तो पार्ट 1 वाज समथिंग डिफरेंट. पार्ट 2 जब उसकी आ रही है ना, तो इट्स लाइक भाई क्यों बनाया है, क्यों बनाया. हाँ,
You mean OTT shows?
Not OTT, and theaters I'm talking about. Theaters में भी यही चल रहा है. But from you, what success mean to you today since you started? जब आपने कहीं तो होगा जब स्टार्ट किया था, उसके बाद से अब now what success for you?
I think success for me would be feeling secure in where I am and what I'm doing. security about myself and security about my work has come to me very recently. Very recently, but not right now. In the last 5-6 years, I feel very secure in the job that I do, and I feel very secure otherwise also, apart from that, in life per se.
Right.
So for me, success, the meaning of success is the lack of feeling insecure, that nagging feeling inside about not being, but not being clear with who you are or not accepting who you are,
Right.
not having that acceptance कि आप ढूंढ ही रहे हो, आप भागते जा रहे हो, आप भागते जा रहे हो, भागते जा रहे हो, वो sense of security for me I think is
Which has been
success.
changed.
Which has changed
Has
over the last
evolved,
5-6
right?
years, yeah.
But do you still approach for the roles?
As in?
As an actor, मतलब you still approach for the roles to directors and कि मुझे काम चाहिए या something like
Actually मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत अजीब किस्म की बात हुई है, and I
हाँ.
don't mean to say anything else. जब मुझे पता लगता है कहीं पे कुछ बन रहा है तो मैं अप्रोच करती हूँ, मैं फ़ोन उठाती हूँ, मैं बात करती हूँ. ज़्यादातर एक्चुअली वो वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ है, वो वर्कआउट वो हुआ है जहाँ पे द रोल हैज़ come to me.
country. Okay.
It has always worked like that, and that role has come to me basis my past work.
Nice.
So it has always
great.
been very work oriented कि मेरा काम, लोग मेरा काम देखते हैं और वो काम की वजह से मुझे फ़ोन करते हैं. तो it has always been like that. ऐसा ही हुआ है actually
Right,
in
and
the
that-
recent past.
And do you feel like कि काम मांगने में कोई शर्म है नहीं वैसे
बिल्कुल
तो?
भी कोई शर्म
No,
नहीं है, of
because
course
these days
not.
actors are like I have to be on social media more.
वो I don't know.
And I have seen your
यार.
social media fully and you're not that active on social media but still you're securing that roles. कहीं ना कहीं and you're adapting all the mediums.
I don't think it is independent on social media at all.
है ना?
डिपेंडेंसी आज सोशल मीडिया की वजह से क्या हो गई है कि आई थिंक इट इज़ when you start misinterpreting influencers for actors, that I think is very unfair, and authenticity नहीं रही है सोशल मीडिया पे भी.
सही बात है.
Authenticity नहीं है क्योंकि the reason why somebody is an influencer, there are very few from far who are actually on social media because of their content,
Right.
because their content has the capacity and the power to influence. The others are there to get famous. I could be wrong in my analysis, but I think this is how I feel, and it's like, you know, the whole idea of, and maybe that's where it's going, but the whole idea of success is overnight today, because social media can actually do that. One viral video, one viral post, one viral reel can make you a star overnight. I don't think the millennials are used to this
But
definition
still
of
I
success.
don't think so they are sustaining, you know. They can be overnight star but like they are not sustaining in the market.
Maybe the
them.
basis is
They're
not
getting
correct.
a platform at least.
Yeah.
There are many who are still struggling there.
Yeah, I'm sure. And no, it's a great thing that people have more opportunity. They have more avenues of revenue and
Right.
income generation. That is great. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ authenticity नहीं है. Social media पे कुछ भी चलता है. By chance, by luck की बात होती है, और intentionally content create करने वाले जिनका actually influence हो, you know, in society, वो लोग बहुत कम है. वो genuine influencers हैं.
Right, right. Absolutely.
और उस जॉब को बहुत सीरियसली लेते हैं वो, और वैसा ही होना चाहिए. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे लगता नहीं है कि वहाँ रहने से कुछ होता है. हाँ, आजकल नया है कि कास्टिंग ऐसे हो रही है कि जिनके फॉलोअर्स ज़्यादा हैं उनकी कास्टिंग हो रही है.
Yes.
तो आप इन्फ्लुएंसर को बेस्ड ऑन देयर फॉलोअर्स उनको कास्ट कर रहे हो किसी एक्टर की जगह.
Right.
तो आई डोंट फील लाइक बीइंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. लाइक आई फील इट्स अ,
Your craft has been already always I feel. आपकी क्राफ्ट ने हमेशा बात की है मेरे ख्याल से.
अब वो तो आप लोग बता सकते हैं. वो तो आई कांट रियली टेल. आई मीन आई फील लाइक आई ट्रस्ट दैट प्रोसेस मोर. इट्स नॉट फ्लेकी.
Right.
I'd like to keep working hard, and I'd like to keep depending on that, and depend on myself rather than depend on you know, the number of my followers and validation to be cast. I mean, I need to be cast for the right reasons, you know. So, what are the right reasons for an actor? How good you are, you fit the bill, you fit the part. That should be it, right?
You give the auditions.
Yeah, that should be it, because it's going to work. And if
Yeah.
your actors are going to work, if your parts are going to work, your project is going to work. Now, your story is going to work.
Correct. Absolutely.
So I feel that for me is a ripple effect. But the way of the world right now is, oh, be on social media.
Yes.
How many followers do you have? But then it's okay, to each his own. I don't know.
But have your choice as evolved as an actor today?
As in?
एज एन एक्टर मतलब आपके चॉइसेस इवॉल्व हुए कि ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट्स आप पहले लेती थी, अब मुझे ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट्स करनी है बिकॉज आई हैव डन दिस ऑल थिंग्स, थिंग लाइक दैट?
Choice evolve ऐसे हुई है that I don't want to, like, I'm okay to say no to something that I've already done in the past.
ओके.
Like, it had happened with me a few years back when I had just come out of a film, and there was a film offered to me, and the part was similar. Later than that film, I think did some very good numbers, and it became like a hit film. But if you ask me, I would still have not done that film because I had just come out of a part like that. So number one, yeah, I don't want to be repetitive not for the world, but I personally don't want to be repetitive, because then उसका कोई मज़ा नहीं है मुझे, मतलब, you know, to
राइट.
go out there and डू अ सिमिलर रोल. कि आपने कॉप का रोल किया है तो चलो नेक्स्ट में भी या तो आपको डायरेक्टर कोई बोलेगा अरे इन्होंने कॉप का रोल किया, इनको बुला लो.
राइट. राइट.
तो वो चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. एवोल्यूशन आई थिंक ऐसे होता है कि फॉर मी आई थिंक योर क्राफ्ट एंड योर एवोल्यूशन पर्सनली गोज हैंड इन हैंड. Somehow it's not very different. Like, there are times I feel, oh, I was waiting for this role because there is something that this role is going to give back to me in my life. You know, so I feel like every project is very close. Sometimes I get the learning, sometimes I get a perspective from the role that I have done, and that actually is a perspective that I'm looking for in my real life.
Right.
So for me, I see that it goes hand in hand.
Right.
It's not very different, at least for me. It's very connected. तो उस सेंस में आई थिंक एज यू इवॉल्व एज अ पर्सन, आपकी चॉइसेस होती है इवॉल्व. सॉरी,
नो
बात कर चॉइसेस इवॉल्व होती हैं. I think you become more you become more of a risk taker.
Yes, absolutely.
As you evolve.
Yes.
You care less.
और आपको पता चल जाता है क्योंकि बिकॉज यू हैव बीन वर्किंग सो लॉन्ग,
Yeah,
राइट? सो
yeah.
यू गेट टू नो दैट कि भाई अब मुझे पता है किस तरीके का काम मुझे करना है.
Yeah.
ना यू हैव बीन इन दैट स्टेक अप
Yeah.
कि आई कैन डू इट.
Yeah.
या बट कभी ऐसा अपनी फिल्में देखती हैं आप?
हाँ.
क्रिटिक्स होती है अपनी और सबसे बड़ी आप?
मैं सबसे बड़ी, मैं ना देखूँ तो अच्छा
कौन सी फिल्म को ऐसे देखा है आपने, सीरीज को देखा है अपने आप को और आपने बोला यार ये नहीं करना चाहिए था मुझे और अच्छा करना चाहिए था इनफैक्ट मुझे?
नहीं, ऐसा बोला यार, ये मैंने क्या किया है यार, ये तो मैंने हक दिया.
कौन सी सीरीज थी वो?
कमाल की बात है, मैंने डीकपल के टाइम पे बोला ये मैंने क्या किया है. एंड देन लाइक फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 days आई वाज सो लाइक टेकन अबैक बाय, क्या हो गया है, ऐसा तो बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा था. एंड सडनली देयर वाज लाइक माय inbox, my WhatsApp was like, there was a outpour of like messages and how people are loving it, and congratulatory messages from makers who have not been in touch with for years.
Right,
also
right.
messaged me. तो recently तो वहाँ हुआ था. बाकी तो मैं हर I will manage to take out some mistake of mine in everything that I do. I am great at doing that.
But your daughter, she watches you?
Unfortunately, my current content is not something I can show.
But पुराना कुछ?
पुराना content.
She knows that you're a star?
Yeah, she knows. She can't comprehend all that. No, she just understands, oh, what is shooting to make a film is that. Technically, she understands on set. But the magnitude of all that, she doesn't understand anything yet. And I like it that way. I like it. She's actually, so far, she's not questioned why I get papped. or via people taking autographs or via people taking selfies. She sees that. Very soon she will ask me that. Like, but I keep it very simple with her, you know, that this is my job and I do a job where people can see me. So some people who like me, some people might not like me, you know, my work that I'm doing. तो उस हिसाब से पता है. Previous work where there was more song and dance is what I've shown her. Yeah, and she's enjoyed that.
You know, you have never said no to TV industries, yes? आपने switch किया, आप वापस आए, आप काम करते गए हर mediums में. I've seen there are many actors who do not speak about that कि यार मैंने TV में काम किया था. ठीक है? Because they say that कि they have been looked down.
Elitist attitude हो जाता है, I
हाँ,
think.
मतलब क्यों ऐसा?
कि वो TV है.
But I have seen in your case that you have always mentioned about the serials you have worked on.
Yeah.
You have always mentioned कि मैं इस के लिए काम किया है. But there are many actors these days they are not accepting the fact that they have worked for TV.
I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है to very conveniently omit any part of your journey is so unfair ना. It's so unfair. For me मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं किसी स्कूल नहीं गई हूँ, मैं ड्रामा स्कूल नहीं गई हूँ, फिल्म स्कूल नहीं गई हूँ. मेरे लिए टेलीविजन मेरा स्कूल था. So I have to give it the due respect, right? And it has been a part of my journey. How can I conveniently cut that out, right?
Yes.
I have to give it the respect. It's taught me so much.
Right.
You know, it has given me so much. Even though I decided after a very brief stint on TV, I would call it a brief stint only because if I had stayed there, तो मतलब मैं lifelong I would have. I would not have had to. Struggle for making my way up or try new things because you get comfortable. You know, TV is such a place that आप ना comfortable हो जाते हो.
Correct.
क्योंकि paychecks आते रहेंगे आप अपना enjoy करो बस.
हाँ.
But my idea personally was never that. I wanted to take risks and I wanted to go out there and I wanted to try new things and I wanted to kind of upgrade and the thing about television that irked me most was the regressive content, which still is the same.
And also overnight काम.
हाँ, मतलब कोई life नहीं. और life ऐसा नहीं है, life नहीं है, you know. If you work for a considerable amount of time in TV, I think you can work on your own terms, and that you can do anywhere. But whilst all of that is there, like I said, right, I can't conveniently just omit that part of my life and say यार नहीं किया. Of course किया, वहीं से आए हैं. वही रूट है, उसी ने सिखाया है, बहुत कुछ सिखाया उस सेट पे, टेलीविजन सेट पे सीखा है.
I mean you should own it. जो आपका है उसको own तो कर लो.
Exactly, you have to own mistakes or no mistakes. You have to own them ना. और I can't call television a mistake. It gave me my bread and butter. I got to pay my rent from doing television, and I was lucky that, you know, 4 days of being in Bombay is when I was on set.
Yes.
So there's gratitude and only gratitude for having been part of television also.
But for you, which part of your journey you consider your turning point? Which phase?
Yeah, I don't consider anything to be a turning point. It is always point A to point B to point C to point D to point E.
हाँ. But the one hook that cracked everyone and वो आपको एक पहचान देने लग गई. It was your first serial only, I guess. घर घर में you got famous.
I have no idea. I don't know. I've never looked at it that way, which is why I don't think there is a turning point, or maybe turning point has not come yet. I don't know. It could be either of the two. But ऐसे देखा जाए तो, you know, like I said, so this question of yours actually connects to the part where I said that, you know, one job has got me the other job, and then the other job, and then the other job.
The TV things you're saying.
TV or whatever.
Yeah,
whatever work that I do, no, my next job has been basis the previous job
Yeah.
that I've done. So maybe I've never looked at it in a way more than just a job.
Nice. But one of your co-stars you want to again collab with.
Madhavan. Yeah. What a cracker of a guy, what a cracker of an actor he is, and the kind of chemistry and collaboration we had was truly amazing. So I'd love to work with Maddie. I'd love to work with Rana.
Rana. Season 2 is coming.
Yeah, season
Yeah?
2 is coming. And I'd love to work with my co-star from Mandala, which
Mandala
is
Murders.
which is Vaibhav Raj Gupta.
Yeah.
These three as of now.
Mandala was also epic. I mean, I really enjoyed. You know, I enjoyed like anything. It was epic. Did a great job in that film. But we'll quickly go to some questions. Just आपके co-stars ही हैं सारे. You have to describe them.
Yeah.
So you have to describe your co-stars. So one is Gippy Garewal.
Dhamaka.
Huh?
Dhamakedar.
Diljit Dosanjh.
Oh my God. Revolutionary.
Rana Naidu.
Rana Daggubati, you mean?
Mm-hmm.
Rana Daggubati. Don't go by the masculinity of the man. He's got a heart of gold.
Jimmy Shergill.
Mysterious.
Amrinder Gill.
Amrinder would be...
It's very long, na?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Amrinder would be shy.
Pankaj Tripathi.
Memory for life.
You had a great time, na?
I had a great time with him. Yeah. He's a... No, actually, I'll change that to walking, talking school of drama.
Wow.
Yeah.
He's a full cinema only these days.
Yeah,
na?
head to toe, he's
Full cinema. Bhai.
he's a textbook.
But any advice he has given you?
उनका एडवाइस देने का तरीका बहुत ही रिस्पेक्टफुल और कमाल का है.
हाँ.
Like he will give you a suggestion or an advice and you will not feel it that he gave you one. तो सामने वाले को लगता नहीं है कि अच्छा आपको उनसे क्या वो ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि उनको आपसे ज़्यादा पता है. नहीं, आपको कभी महसूस ही नहीं होगा और वो ये बताने की कोशिश भी नहीं कर रहे हैं कि उनको आपसे ज़्यादा पता है. वो एज एन इक्वल फॉर द सेक ऑफ द सीन कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं और उनका सजेशन देने का तरीका बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और मतलब ऐसे सुमड़ी में
निकल जाते
बोल देते हैं और आपको लगता है आपको थॉट प्रोवोकिंग होता है. उनका कोई भी सजेशन होता है ना थॉट प्रोवोकिंग होता है. तो या आप उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन वो ऐसे बात बोलते ही नहीं है कि वो अपने सजेशन जैसे बोल रहे हैं. वो अपनी धुन में कोई बात बोलेंगे, ऐसा बोलेंगे, which is such a good quality to have, you know.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
But thank you so much.
Thank you
Subin.
so
You know, it was
much.
such a lovely talking to you.
Thank
and
you.
I wish you only good luck for
Thank
all
you.
your upcoming projects.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. And we are going to watch Criminal Justice.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hi, I'm Surveen Chawla and you're watching me on Galata India.